Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Vibe. Here I'm going to bake banana muffins with oven. This is an easy muffins recipe. This is also a yummy banana muffins for kids. These are the ingredients for preparing banana muffins. Take one banana and make puree with blender. Take a large bowl and add puree bananas. Also add 1 egg and beat it. Next add half cup of white sugar into it. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter and beat it. Drop half teaspoon of vanilla essence into it. Take another bowl, combine flour, baking powder and salt. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Pour the banana mixture and mix it by cotton foil method. Meanwhile, preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Pour the mixture into a liner. And decorate with some chopped cashew nuts. Bake 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. Now our muffins are ready. We can check with this skewer. This is also a quick and easy recipe of banana muffins. So that is for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.